argue with these
No, you
assholes.
don't. You don't argue with your other two chapters. They don't give a damn about being on there. I'm the only one that's fucking
I'm
different.
drinking some Coke Pop. If y'all watched the video yesterday, y'all would have seen her on there.
Yeah, you saying you snapping in.
She always snapping. This motherfucker right here ain't right. Okay? She ain't right. Her mental state, she always been going out. She came out of me rolling her goddamn eyes. So it just already was headed for trouble, okay? Okay?
It's gonna be your last fucking ride with me.
No, it ain't.
That's
No,
not
it
your
ain't.
last fucking. I mean,
No, it ain't.
that's real.
Tell her to shut the hell up.
No.
Y'all put in the comments and tell her to shut her ass up.
Right before they even get that type of fuck you.
Mm.